Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on the all-wheel drive Spyder. The cam sensor went out in it. So yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, we have two all-wheel drive Spyders. A lot of people get mixed up about them. This one is Chris's, my little brother's, and this one is mine. Both all-wheel drive. And today we are fixing a cam sensor on this one right here. Alright guys, make sure the motor is at top dead center, which we have this little tool. It's pretty cool. It locks the cam gears into gear so you don't have to worry about it. On the tool it actually says T for top. All you really have to do is take it and then it slides right into place. Locks cam gears into gear, then you really don't have to worry about anything else. Alright guys, wondering probably why we have these zip ties here. It's easier to put these on here, so when you go to separate the actual pulleys, you can actually put them back on a lot easier. So, since we got those off, and right there is the sensor. Alright guys, new sensor back on, all back together, and all time. Alright guys, everything is back. AWD start. Oh yeah, there you go.
You see, the car made it back home safe and sound. Good to go.